Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to take a look at some bob haircut transformations, as well as a few other shorter styles. So first up, she's going to be starting off with a bob. So the stylist is doing a classic bob haircut with this one. And he is also adding in bangs. So this haircut is definitely giving me French girl bob vibes. Huge trend right now. She does have fringe bangs in the front. Beautiful cheekbones are accented with the bangs. Love this haircut on her. Definitely a classic. So then we move into hair transformation number 2. This one is also going to be of a bob. So it looks like she might be getting more of a micro bob with this one. Hair is already colored a nice beautiful blonde. And this is from the stylist Minor. He's very popular. So now that we are getting a better look at this haircut, it is actually more of a pixie. So she does have long bangs in the front. It's almost, I would want to say, more of a pixie haircut because it is showcasing elements of both the bob and a pixie. Either way you want to look at it, it is beautifully layered on the front portion with the bangs, choppy in the back. Beautiful, gorgeous haircut. So then we move into another bob transformation. And I believe she's going to be getting some color with this one. Yes, so she went with this beautiful ginger tone, copper tone. And this is also giving off vibes of a longer pixie or bixie haircut. There's so much variety nowadays. It's really hard to just look at a hairstyle and just classify it as one thing. If you guys haven't noticed that, I definitely have, especially when making these videos. But this features beautiful long bangs in the front and a shorter back. And in some eyes, this might be considered a longer pixie, and in others, it might be considered a micro bob. So here we have more of a lob haircut, so she is getting this styled with some simple mini buns at the top. Very cute hairstyle, perfect for every day or just mixing it up. And then we move into the next transformation. So she has a beautiful chocolate color going on with this one. And this I would definitely would say it is a bob, at least so far. But we will see how things go. So this is definitely going to feature more of that classic signature bob look. No mistaking that this haircut is definitely a bob. It comes to around jaw length, features beautiful bangs in the front, just slightly gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.